Hey everybody, this is Kim from Drifter Vans. Let's have a look at our newest build. This van had a 3-inch lift kit installed with some Rhino wheels, with Rhino, okay, let's call it rims. Yeah. This van is a Ford Transit 2022 148 wheelbase extended body. This van had a 3-inch lift kit installed with some rims and Falcon tires. We installed the Fiamma Awning 45S on a roof rack. Let's have a look at the roof rack. So here's your driver's side ladder. Let's have a look on top. So we installed two 175 solar panels that gives you a total of 350 watts of solar power with a max air fan and a 120 volt Furrion air conditioning unit. You have front bar for the light with one side lights and two back lights at the back of your van when you take showers or want to install the table. So for this van we installed 4 windows. On both sides you have 2 AM Auto bunk windows. You have one window in the sliding door on the passenger side and one smaller window half panel on the driver's side just above the counters. Here you have your 30 amp shore power connection and your outdoor city water. Let's have a look in the inside. So this is not one of our usual layouts and models. The layout was custom made for our clients. So when you enter the van, you have access to your countertop, your kitchen with the counter extension right here. Your isotherm 85 fridge drawer model with the little freezer section. On this van, the fridge was put this way to allow us to make the countertop less wide to give our clients more space in the middle of the hallway. Just behind the driver's seat, you have your bench and seating area for 2 people. It's actually some storage cabinet and your separate toilet. So let's have a look. You have on the left side your separate tiny toilet with urine container. If the light is red, it means that the inside is not set properly. So let's have a look inside. Here you have your urine container that you can go and empty whenever full. And here you have your solid waste container. The solid waste container will open and close when you sit on the toilet automatically. And here on the side of the toilet you have a storage compartment. The cabinet was made so that you can sit comfortably without having a piece of wood behind your knees when you sit on the toilet. The Lagoon tabletop is stored under the sink inside the door. Put your tabletop. You can use it from the seating area. Lagoon Table is fully adjustable. You can adjust it here, and lock it, or from the swivel chair. All windows come with custom-made blinds that fit the window boxes. So it's easier to see on this one, but we have window blinds on all the back windows. For your kitchen area, you have your countertop space, your induction stove, your sink with cutting board. You have 4 drawers with custom-made leather pulls and some space under the sink. So your sink has a cutting board with a faucet and an extendable hose if you want to use your sink outside. Let's have a look at the shower. You have your retractable self-cleaning shower door with your wooden shower pan and your water-saving shower head. So here on the bed you have plenty of light, plenty of upper cabinet storage here with some high-end blue hinges. So this bed was custom made for our clients to be in the length of the van. So there was no need for any window boxes. The bed is actually even bigger than a queen size. It's a 62 by 79 and it's a pull-out bed. Let's have a look at how it works. So here for the Bifold mattress, you just need to fold it up and push the extension. And here you get access to your 2 benches. From the seating area, you get your Webasto gas heater vent and a full-size pull-out table from under the bed. So under your benches, you get some storage. You get, under these panels, you get access to your water connectors, your Webasto holes and electrical systems with a bit of storage. And on this side, same thing. At the back of the bed, on both sides, you have your 12-volt reading lights with USB connectors to charge your phone. Above your bed, you have your Max Air fan to get some nice breeze either in or out. Your hallway lights, your pump to start the shower or the sink, the faucet, your bed lights. So here you have your light toe kick and your under cabinet lights. Beside it you have a Furion AC digital control. I'm not gonna start it here because I am not connected to shore power, and this is a 120 volt AC system that needs to run on shore power if you do not want to kill your battery very quickly. Here on the side of the upper cabinet on the passenger side you have your Renogy battery monitors, your freshwater gauge and your Webasto heater manual control. So here you have your 120 volt Furion AC distribution panel, air distribution panel. So this is the digital controlled by the little digital control on the wall here, so you do not get the knobs on the distribution panel. Here you have a smoke detector and carbon monoxide detector, and they have a fire extinguisher under the sink. So the van has a bug wall. This is the offset magnetic model. Very easy to use. You just unclip it, make it drop down. So the opening is magnetic for easy open and easy close. Let's have a look at the garage area. Here you have access to your water control, the hole to fill up your freshwater tank, your City Connect if you wish to connect the city water from the inside of your van. Here you have the winterizing valve that comes with an adapter, so you can use a compressor to blow out your valve and winterize your van. And here you have access to your outdoor shower. You get a pretty big shower head, and for privacy in the outside of your van you get a retractable line. The right section of your garage is the electrical shelf. Here you get the Furion panel with your breakers, the 110 volts and the 12 volts one. They're all labeled, with a thermostat control fan if your batteries get too hot inside the compartment. Both your electrical section, heater section and water section are accessible through your rolling doors for easy access. And the central part of the garage, you get a pull-out drawer for easy storage. So the garage area also has a bug wall, same system as the one on the sliding door. You just unclip it, roll it down and zip it. I hope you enjoyed our latest custom van. If you liked it, give us a like and subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you soon for our next build.